There's a silent killer wiping out Forex accounts, and it's not the market, it's not your strategy, and it's definitely not bad luck. You won't find it in your trading journal. It won't show up on your equity curve until it's too late. It doesn't announce itself with a red candle or a blown stop-loss. It's quieter than that, and far more dangerous. It's revenge trading. Here's how it starts. You take a loss. A clean, well-planned trade that simply didn't work out. That's normal. That's just the market. But instead of walking away, you feel this itch, this need to get it back. So you re-enter, not because your setup is there, not because your strategy says go, but because your ego does. That second trade, it's not analysis, it's emotion wearing a trading strategy as a disguise. And here's the trap. Sometimes it works. You win the money back, and your brain learns exactly the wrong lesson, that chasing losses pays off. So next time, you do it again. Bigger size, less patience, zero plan. Until the day it doesn't work, and instead of one controlled loss, you're staring at 3, 4, 5 trades deep, an account that took months to build, gone in an afternoon. This is why professional traders obsess over risk management, not because they're being cautious for the sake of it, but because they understand something most beginners don't. The market doesn't blow up accounts. Traders blow up their own accounts, reacting to the market instead of executing a plan. So what's the fix? First, accept the loss the moment it happens, not tomorrow, not after one more trade, right now. A loss is data, not a personal insult. Second, set a hard rule. No new trade after a loss unless your original setup criteria are met. No exceptions, no just this once. Third, walk away when you feel that itch to re-enter emotionally. Step back from the charts. Even 10 minutes can break the spiral. Trading psychology isn't a soft skill you get to later. It's the foundation everything else stands on. Your strategy might win you trades, but your discipline is what keeps your account alive long enough to let that strategy actually work. The market will test you. The real question is, will you trade the chart or will you trade your emotions? Here's the truth. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if you can't control what happens in your head after a loss, none of it matters. The traders who last aren't the ones who never lose. They're the ones who never let one loss turn into 5. So next time you take a hit, remember this video. Walk away, reset, come back with a plan, not emotion. If this helped you see trading a little differently, hit like, subscribe for more no-nonsense trading psychology, and drop a comment. Have you ever fallen into revenge trading? Let me know below. See you in the next one.